When it comes to cleaning, we've all been there, stuck in a rut, using the same old methods that just don't seem to be getting the job done. But the truth is, effective cleaning is within our grasp, and it all starts with knowing what really works. From stubborn stains to lingering odors, we've all faced our fair share of cleaning challenges. You know, those moments when you're scrubbing away at a particularly tough spot, and no matter how hard you try, it just won't budge. It's frustrating, to say the least. And let's not even get started on the odors that seem to linger no matter how much you clean. Whether it's a musty smell in the basement or a bathroom that always seems to smell like, well, a bathroom, these issues can be downright annoying. And it's not just the physical act of cleaning that can be a challenge. It's also the emotional toll it can take on us. Think about it. When our homes are messy and disorganized, it can affect our mood, our productivity, and even our relationships. So, it's no wonder that we're always on the lookout for new and better ways to get the job done. But here's the thing. Not all cleaning methods are created equal. Some of the techniques and products we've been using for years might not be as effective as we think they are. In fact, some might even be doing more harm than good. So, how do we separate the myths from the facts and find the cleaning methods that truly deliver results? Let's start by exploring some of the most popular cleaning methods out there. From traditional techniques like vinegar and water to modern solutions like steam cleaners and essential oils, there are a lot of options to choose from. But which ones actually work, and which ones are just a waste of time and money? By looking at the pros and cons of each method, we can start to get a better understanding of what really works. For example, have you ever tried using microfiber cloths to clean your surfaces? These cloths are incredibly effective at picking up dirt and dust. And they can be used with or without cleaning products. And what about the power of steam cleaning? Not only can it sanitize surfaces, but it can also be used to remove stubborn stains and odors. By combining these methods with the right products and tools, we can start to see some real results. But even with all the right tools and techniques, there are still some secrets to unlocking the ultimate cleaning power. That's where the top cleaning hacks come in. Those little-known strategies that can make all the difference in getting your space spotless. So, what are they? First, did you know that using a dryer sheet can help to repel dust and allergens in your home? It's true. By placing a sheet in areas where dust tends to accumulate, you can reduce the amount of dust that settles in the first place. Second, have you tried using a mixture of baking soda and water to create a natural cleaning paste? This paste is incredibly effective at removing tough stains and odors, and it's completely non-toxic. And third, did you know that using a microfiber mop can help to remove up to 99% of bacteria and germs from your floors? It's true. By using these hacks in combination with the right products and techniques, you can start to see some real results. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? By using the right techniques, products, and tools, we can start to overcome even the toughest cleaning challenges. And by incorporating a few simple hacks into our routine, we can take our cleaning game to the next level. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've got a favorite cleaning tip or hack, be sure to share it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more helpful home advice, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks.